Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the account schedules inside of Dynamics 365 Business Central. The account schedules are essentially taking a look at running the scheduled financial statements. So here we see balance sheet, cash flow, income, retained earnings. Take a look, we'll look at the balance sheet to start off with. We go up here to process and take a look at overview. We will see all of the accounts that go into the balance sheet. You also see that you can filter the time frame. So you can do it by week, month, quarter, year, accounting period. And then of course you've got the date filter here as well. You can add in dimensions if you'd like. And then down here, we're in Cronus, which has some transactions in it. So you can see some balances over here. And that's what the overview will do. It'll give you an idea of what the balance sheet will currently look like. So from there, we can go back out here. And if we go to the print, and we can select the date range, that's fine. And of course, we see the balance sheet right here. As you can see, there's some things that are bold and these are indented. You can change all of that inside of the edit account schedule. Do you want to make a copy? No. And so as you can see here, you'll see all the totaling accounts, or the accounts that go into cash. These are all the different ranges of the GL accounts that are tying into those categories. You see that we're looking at the net change. You can also see if it's a posting count or a formula. And then finally over here on show, as a default, Microsoft shows no accounts with zeros. So if you don't have anything in prepaid expenses, for example, this line item will not show up on your balance sheet whenever you go to print it, only items that have it. And that's what this says. But you can change it. You can say yes, no, if any column not zero, or only when it's positive, or only when it's negative. So there's some different features there. You can also change if you wanted this line to be bold, you could change it there, italic, underlined, etc. So that is how you can modify the sheet, the schedule a little bit as well. So all of these balance, cash flow, income statement, and retained earnings all work the same way. So there you have account structures and the account schedules.